In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chats in Gemini. If you've ever needed to quickly find something you discussed earlier, this walkthrough will make it simple. We're going to use the built-in search so you can jump straight to the conversation you need without scrolling. Start by opening Gemini in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so your recent conversations populate. You'll see the main workspace in the center, and on the left, the sidebar where your chats are listed. Now, look toward the top of that left sidebar. You should see a magnifying glass icon and a search field sitting just above your chat list. That's the search bar we'll use. It's placed there so you can search across all your conversations in one spot. Click or tap inside the search field to activate it. You'll notice your cursor appear, letting you know it's ready for input. This is your starting point to narrow down exactly what you're trying to find. Type a keyword or phrase related to the information you're looking for. The more specific the term, the quicker you'll get accurate results. Think of unique words you used in that chat. Maybe the name of a topic, a particular term, or a short phrase you remember writing. If your first attempt is too broad, refine it by adding another word you recall. Clear, distinctive keywords help the search engine zero in on the right conversations. As you type, Gemini will show matching chats where your keyword appears. These results usually include dates and short snippets, which act like useful previews. Use the date to confirm the time frame, and scan the snippet to see if it matches the part of the discussion you're trying to revisit. This quick glance can save you from opening multiple conversations unnecessarily. When you spot the one you want, click the result to open the full conversation. You'll be taken straight into that chat, where you can read the messages in context and pick up right where you left off. If it's not the one you intended, simply return to the search field and adjust your keywords to hone in further. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini, find the search bar in the left sidebar, click into it, type a relevant keyword or phrase, review the dated snippets, and select the result to jump into the full chat. With a few smart keywords, you'll locate past conversations in seconds and keep your workflow moving smoothly.